Alrighty then, I am a-fixin' to make some chicken tacos, okay, from my home canned chicken. I'm going to use the Bumblebee Junction way, that is the chicken breast without snow that I parboiled, and I have a video on that. I could also use my raw packed chicken breast, but for this, I'm going to do the little chunky. So of course I got a little lemon juice here. I'm gonna drain off this broth, and then we're gonna get to seasoning this. And remember, this is processed cooked chicken. It's been drained. Now I will unceremoniously dump it into my lemon juice in here in this bowl. A lot of people like them shredded. I don't care if it shreds. I don't care. Let me get my seasonings. You can use the little envelopes, right, of taco seasoning if you want. I make my own. I usually use that on the ground beef tacos. So we're just gonna freestyle it here. Some cumin, and remember these jars hold a little over 1 pound. Got our own grown and dehydrated oregano. Sprinkle that in there. We got to get our chili powder. Our garlic powder. And our onion powder. And we have a pinch of cayenne in here. Generally, I use lime juice when I use fresh thighs that I'm going to marinate. But this is going to make it easier and faster. I'm going to smush these up a little bit. And then I'm going to let it sit for about 20 minutes. And then we're going to get it going in a skillet to heat it up. And then we're going to taste this chicken to see if we need to add anything else. It ain't hard. I got my little skillet here hot. I just spritzed it with some olive oil, and let's get our, it's already cooked, remember, because it processed, but let's get it hot. Fred, the fan is going, so you got a little racket, you'll be all right. Because it's hot and it's humid. Because it's South Carolina, it's what it does. So I like mine on a small tortilla, but I gotta heat the tortilla up. So I get the small ones. Let me get this up to temperature. That big, what's my package say? It's for burritos, but we're not making burritos, and it says super soft. So anyway, just gonna flap that little sucker down there. So that's getting nice and hot, pliable. So now I take it out, slide it on a plate. Then the other side is where I put my taco meat, and in my case, tomatoes. Alrighty then, let's make ourselves a chicken taco. That's how I do mine. You ain't gotta do it like this. I ain't a-fixin' to put no lettuce on this. I don't want to. I ain't gonna. Ooh, it's very hot. Let's get our cheese. Oh, very nice. We've got some homegrown tomatoes. And let's test it out. Ooh, that chicken hot. I like to tuck mine in. Oh, yeah. This is fabulous. And because it was home canned chicken, it is very, very tender. Chicken tacos from home canned chicken. Store what you eat what you store. Oh yeah.